Hey, I am Dr. Rochelle Whitaker. I am the host of the vision casting workshop that we're doing with our sons. I have a podcast called Raising Sons, so if you haven't checked it out, be sure to do that. But I am excited to host this workshop. It's all about casting vision for our sons. I am a believer, and the word says that write the vision and make it plain. So that's what we're doing, and we're doing it specifically for our sons. So no matter where you are in raising a son, maybe your son hasn't gotten here yet, maybe you're pregnant with a son, or maybe your son is graduating. It doesn't matter, their age or stage. We know that what we say about our sons and the vision that we have for our sons is so important. And we're not just, casting our own vision. We are using what we know about our sons and the things that we've learned about our sons or are learning, or the things that we maybe don't even know yet. Because if your son isn't here yet, you may not know all the things, but you do know some of the things that you want to be intentional about in raising your son. So we're going to be talking about that in the workshop. We're going to be casting that vision. And so there will be a pre-workbook that you'll need to complete that I will send out once you register. That'll just ask you some questions to kind of get you thinking, so you'll know what to put on the vision board. Also, we're going to be using Google, so you'll need a Google account. We're going to be using the Jamboard, and we'll be pulling images from Google, so you'll also need that. So I'm excited. You'll learn more about me, why raising sons is so important. Of course, I have sons, but why it's so important and near and dear to my heart, and why we're doing this, right? We know that writing the vision and making it plain is so important, and so we want to speak life into our sons, and we want to cast vision for them. So I look forward to seeing you at the workshop, learning more about you, learning more about your sons. So until June 7th at 6 p.m., you'll be receiving emails from us once you register. So look forward to meeting you and hearing more about your son.